Let's go over number 24 of the SOA release questions for exam P. So, as always, let's start by reading out the question. The number of injury claims per month is modeled by a random variable n with probability n equals 1 divided by the multiplication of n plus 1 times n plus 2, where n is greater than or equal to 0. Determine the probability of at least one claim during a particular month. So at least one claim during a particular month, given that there have been at most four claims during that month. So this is another Bayes theorem question. So basically, we are going to find the denominator first, because that's going to involve all scenarios, and we are going to use that as the denominator against the numerator, that is at least one claim. So what does all of this mean? This means that we have basically two scenarios. So let's write it out. So the numerator scenarios is going to include scenarios that have one claim, two claims, three claims, and four claims. Now the denominator scenarios is going to have at most four claims, right? So we're going to have a scenario that we have 0 claims in a month, 1 claim in a month, 2 claims in a month, 3 claims, and 4 claims. Now for the numerator, why did I stop at 4? It's because we know that there have been at most 4 claims in a month because of this second underlining. It says that given that there have been at most 4 claims during that month. So basically, what we're going to have to do is plug in each of these numbers, so 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, into this formula that we got here. And that's going to give us our probability for each of these scenarios. So what's the probability of n equals 0? Well, that's going to be 1 divided by 0 plus 1 times 0 plus 2. So that's going to be 1 over 2. Probability of n equals 1, which is going to equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 2, which is going to be 1 over 6. Probability of n equal 2 is going to be 1 over 12. Probability of n equal 3 is going to be 1 over 20. And probability n equal 4 is going to be 1 over 30. Okay, so now we have all of our probabilities. Now we just have to match the numerators, the scenarios, to whichever scenarios we need in the numerator and whichever scenarios we need in the denominator, right? So the probability, and this is going to be the function that is supposed to look like. The probability of at least one claim, right? So at least one claim is going to equal 1 given. So this is the probability that we have at least one claim given that we have at most 4 claims. And what is that going to equal? So that's going to look like 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 20 plus 1 over 30 all over 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 20 plus 1 over 30, which is going to end up as 1 over 3 over 5 over 6, and that should result in 2 over 5, making answer choice B our answer. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, bye.